Today, we will have a brief introduction of the new Growatt 3-phase C&I battery-ready energy storage system installation. The core parts of the whole system are MID1130 KTL3 XH battery-ready inverter and APX HV battery system. There are 8 models in the MID XH series from 11 kilowatts to 30 kilowatts. The lithium battery we used in this video is APX HV battery system. APX battery uses the material of cobalt-free lithium iron phosphate to guarantee its excellent safety. Offering flexible capacity options for customers, each battery module is 5 kWh. A cluster of batteries supports 1 to 6 pieces. Up to 2 clusters of APX HV batteries can be connected in parallel in the C&I energy storage system, with a maximum capacity of 60 kWh and a maximum charge and discharge power of 30 kilowatts. Support remote firmware upgrade to save on-site maintenance fee. The whole system is easy installation with stacked modular design. When combined with an SYN box optional, the entire system has power backup function. The whole system supports double power supply function. An MID 15 KTL3 XH inverter can provide 15 kilowatts full power AC output, plus 15 kilowatts full power battery charge capacity.